Switzerland's landscapes are among the most diverse and breathtaking in the world. From towering peaks to gentle valleys, and from pristine lakes to rushing rivers, Switzerland's natural beauty is truly awe-inspiring. The Swiss Alps are perhaps the most iconic of all Swiss landscapes. They stretch across the southern and central parts of the country, with many peaks rising to over 4,000 meters, 13,000 feet, in height. The Matterhorn, perhaps the most famous of all Swiss peaks, is a triangular peak that dominates the skyline of the Swiss Alps. Other notable peaks include the Eiger, the Monch, and the Jungfrau. In addition to its towering peaks, Switzerland is also home to a network of stunning mountain lakes. These crystal-clear lakes are fed by glacial runoff and surrounded by picturesque towns and villages. Lake Geneva, located on the border with France, is the largest lake in Switzerland and is famous for its stunning views of the French Alps. Lake Zurich, located in the northern part of the country, is another popular destination, with its clean waters and charming lakeside towns. In addition to its towering peaks, Switzerland is also home to a network of stunning mountain lakes. These crystal-clear lakes are fed by glacial runoff and surrounded by picturesque towns and villages. Lake Geneva, located on the border with France, is the largest lake in Switzerland and is famous for its stunning views of the French Alps. Lake Zurich, located in the northern part of the country, is another popular destination, with its clean waters and charming lakeside towns. Switzerland's rolling hills and verdant valleys are equally as beautiful as its mountains and lakes. The Emmental Valley, located in the canton of Bern, is famous for its lush green pastures, where cows graze on fields of wildflowers. The Lauterbrunnen Valley, located in the heart of the Swiss Alps, is a deep, narrow valley that is home to dozens of waterfalls, including the famous Staubach Falls. Switzerland is also home to several iconic natural landmarks, such as the Aletsch Glacier, the largest glacier in the Alps, and the Rhine Falls, Europe's largest waterfall. The Matterhorn Glacier Paradise, located in the shadow of the Matterhorn, is a popular destination for skiing and snowboarding enthusiasts. the main reasons that Switzerland is so stunning is its geography. The country is home to some of the highest peaks in Europe, including the famous Matterhorn, which is a striking triangular peak that towers above the surrounding landscape. The Swiss Alps offer some of the most scenic and challenging hiking trails, skiing slopes, and mountaineering opportunities in the world. The lush green valleys, rolling hills, and crystal clear lakes add to the natural splendor of the country. Another reason why Switzerland is so beautiful is its clean and well-maintained environment. The Swiss are renowned for their commitment to preserving the natural beauty of their country. The air is fresh, the water is pure, and the landscape is pristine. The cities, towns, and villages are immaculate, with well-manicured gardens, charming chalets, and perfectly preserved historical landmarks.
Please subscribe our channel for more stunning and amazing videos.